In today's video, I'll teach you how to find property price in realestate.com.au. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in realestate.com.au and press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of realestate.com.au. You'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to find the price of the property that you would like to buy or rent, what you have to do is simply search for that particular property first. You can click on this option, buy or rent according to your choice. Now click on the search bar. Now you'll be able to search by suburb, postcode or state over here. Simply enter the suburb, postcode or state. Now click on the search option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see the properties over here. What you have to do is simply click on the property that you would like to find the price of. Now you'll be able to see the details of that property over here. Right over here you can see the price range. That means the property's price lies between the price range that is displayed over here. If you would like to find out the exact price, you can contact the agent for that. What you have to do is scroll down. Now click on this option, get in touch, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to ask the question to the agent. You can simply click on this field and ask about the price, or you can scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to find this question, what would you like help with? Over here what you have to do is find this option for price information and check on it. Now click on this option next that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll have to review and share the additional details. If you haven't added the details like your name, email, phone number or postcode, you'll be directed to enter those informations over here. Otherwise over here you'll be able to see this question, what best describes you? Simply click on this field. After you do that, you'll be able to select your answer over here. Likewise, you'll be able to see this question, do you have financial approval? Click on the option of your choice. Now click on the send option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your inquiry regarding the price information has been sent. Now the agent will contact you via the contact method that you provided, and you'll be able to get the information regarding the price through the agent. So like this, you'll be able to find the price. So that is how you find property price in realestate.com.au. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.